What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we're actually working on the extended cab. I'm gonna be changing out the seats because I had a little problem yesterday and I had to cut the seatbelt. And I'm actually trying to do the conversion on the steering wheel. Hopefully we can get it done because I already fucked up that other steering wheel, messed it up already. But we're gonna see what happens, guys. I heard, it's possible. There's a guy. Excuse me. There's a guy on Facebook that actually did it before. He just told me you just gotta bore out the 04 steering wheel since the little thing is smaller. But I'll show you right now what I'm talking about. So I got the steering wheel off already, and the airbag really, and this is different, guys. It's a little bit bigger from the 04, 05 and all that, but we're gonna try to fit that one, guys. The one I had on the Trailblazer, my girl didn't want it on the single cab, and the one on the Trailblazer, guys, actually works with the buttons and everything. So we're gonna try and fit that one to here and see how it goes. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this reamer. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure. But it don't need much. It don't need much. You put it up to the thing. See, it don't need much. It's just a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that, guys, and see what we come out with. If we mess it up, well, I guess I'm gonna have to go back to the other steering wheel. But we should be able to do it. Alright, guys, so I filed it down some more, and it wasn't even that much. It was just a little bit, and it's already in there, kind of snug. I'm debating whether or not to screw it in like that all the way, or should I rimmer it some more? But man, I don't know. It's just gonna look nice, and I'm actually thinking about painting these guys, painting the white and red, since I have the bed, the inside of the bed red. I think it'll be like a nice little accent to it. But I like it, guys. It makes the truck look a lot newer. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comment section, guys. What do y'all think about this little swap? So I have decided that I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like that, so it could be a tight, snug fit, and there will be no problems with the steering wheel stripping or anything like that. I also have heard a lot of people weld the steering wheel when they go a little bit too big. They end up welding it, but I don't want to do that, guys, because I might want to change it again. I don't know, guys. I just don't feel like welding is an option on something like that. But I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and I'm gonna sand the white part, and I'm gonna tape it up, and I'm gonna paint it real quick, with some paint, with some spray paint, and call it a day. And we'll be back. Stay tuned. So I got it all taped up, and I'm ready to sand. I'm sanding the bottom part already. I just need that top piece. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out, guys. It's hot today, guys. It's real hot. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all want to see on the truck. I'm gonna try to fit that 3-piece window, guys. Next, the first coat. It's looking pretty good. It's looking all right. We're gonna let it dry for a little bit, and we're gonna give it a second coat. Meanwhile, guys, I'm gonna have to use these seats. It's torn, but ended up having to use those seats for now. Last night, if you're from Houston and you gone to Taco Madre on I-10 off of Wayside, you know there's a big ditch right there. So last night after the track, we went to the taco stand, and I ended up falling in the ditch in the truck, trying to swerve a car. So I didn't want to pay a tow truck, and my girl was there with her truck. So I ended up cutting the seatbelts off the driver's side since it was already messed up. Off the driver's side, guys. Yeah, guys, they were already messed up. They needed to be replaced anyways. You can tell right here it was all ate up and shit. And that little thing kept on falling off this. So I was like, man, I'm not gonna pay a tow truck. So I had to think fast, and that was the first thing that came to my head. Man, cut them seatbelts off. You don't need them anyways. You got some other seats that you can use meanwhile. And that's what I went for, guys. I ended up just cutting the seats and tying up the truck, tying up the center cap to the film cap, and it came out like nothing. So we're gonna put the seats in while the paint is drying, and I actually want to do something on the Trailblazer today, guys. But man, it's hot out here, and I don't got no fan or nothing, and I'm already sweating. Kind of frustrated already, but we'll see what happens, guys. So I was thinking, guys, a lot of y'all are probably gonna ask how I rimmered the center of the steering wheel, and it was fairly easy. I got a drill, and I just went around it. I went around it a couple times, and now it's fitting kind of snug. There's really not much to it, guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and install the steering wheel. I already painted it. It's bright, but we're gonna be adding a little bit more red to the interior pretty soon, so it shouldn't matter. So what you guys think? 04 steering wheel installed, ready. So that's pretty much gonna be it for this video, guys. I just wanted to make a little short video on the steering wheel swap. If any of y'all have any questions, y'all can always hit me up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Next thing, guys, we're gonna try to put the 3-piece window that I got last time. But for now, that's gonna be it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know what y'all think.